Nagluto ako ng Korean chicken. It's my first time. So, hindi ko sure. So, moment of truth. Okay, let's go. No filter. Ito hindi masarap. Hindi masarap. Ito medyo dark. Kinakabahan ako talaga. Hindi ko sure. Promise, in fairness. In fairness! Pero syempre parang feeling ko hindi pa sobrang lutong-luto yung pinakang sauce niya. Pero, legit na